how lucky we are. These are gold bars. We're rich now. That's for sure. Wait a minute. I think my bar smells good. Maybe it's not gold at all. Is it chocolate? If so, let me try it too. No, I'll eat my own chocolate bar. You have your own. That's right. I'll eat this too. Oh no. This is real gold. I think I'm supposed to spend it on getting my missing teeth put back in. That's ridiculous. Actually, I know how to treat teeth, so let me fix them for you myself. Open your mouth. Maybe you could not? What do you mean not? I already have the drill ready. I'll do it now. Looks like your gold bar came in handy. Well, how did it go? Did the gold teeth look cool? Very cool. I have a cool idea. Let's open these on the count of 3, but don't look. Let's close her eyes. She's so naive. She fell for my trick. Oh no, it's a pepper. I'll give this to Diane. I should get something more delicious. 1, 2, 3, open. Cool. I have a chocolate pepper. Dang, and I have a real one. I don't want to burn up, but you'll have to, because you're out of luck. I was lucky. Haha. We need to finish this pepper as soon as possible. This chocolate is really appetizing. I have chocolate and you have pepper. Look how lucky I am. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Why don't you give me some chocolate? For what? You have a huge, delicious pepper in front of you. Try it out. It's probably so spicy. Wow, it's not spicy at all. And there's chocolate waiting for me inside. Weird. If I have the chocolate pepper, then what do... Oh no! What happened? I have chocolate inside the pepper. I'm afraid your pepper is real. What? That can't be! Help me, please! I got lucky today. I thought I was gonna burn up from this pepper. This isn't fair! Help me, please! Otherwise I'll just burn up! Please, help me out!
What?
Okay. I have a glass of water right next to me. Well, did it help? Kind of.
Oh no!
No, it didn't help! I'm burning up again! And even stronger this time! Okay, I'll just wait over here a bit. Yeah, while you're waiting for me, I'll put this fire out myself. Just regular spray. Whew. I'm on my way! Just for you, a whole bucket of milk! Why did you do that? Now I'm covered in milk.
No! Come on!
Pop it. Weird prize. I wonder who has the real one and who has the chocolate one. I definitely have the real one. I can already play with it. This is so cool. Mine's chocolate then. I'm gonna eat it fast. Ouch! How painful. That's not chocolate at all. Look how stupid your face is.
What?
So, who has the yummy treat?
What?
Where's the chocolate? Weird. Look, do you also have a question mark on your poppet? A question mark? Yeah! Here it is! Let's check it. Maybe it's something delicious. Wow! Chocolate cola! And I have a real one! This is also very cool. Agreed. It turns out we're both lucky.
Oh, yeah.
But can I try my cola first? After all, chocolate cola is a rare phenomena. It's much tastier than I thought. What's inside the bottle? Also chocolate? Yeah, only it's liquid. The liquid is so tasty. You should see your chocolate teeth. But drinking the chocolate is boring. It's much more fun to make something unusual out of it. For example, a chocolate poppet. Now this is cool. Do you think I can make a delicious poppet for myself? Do I think that you can make it from Coke? I think not. This is the coolest poppet of them all. And the Coke isn't gonna freeze as quickly as chocolate. I won't believe you until I try it for myself. I'll show you. Yeah, this is easy. I just need to put it in the mold.
Ooh la la! Wow!
Hey! What?
Now I just need to pull the mold. Ouch! What are you doing? Oh, I didn't mean to. Please forgive me. You'd better take a look at the kind of poppet I got. Wow, that really does look delicious. Can I try it? Of course, you'll love it.
What?
While you're out there getting your tongue stuck to that poppet, I'll quickly eat your chocolate poppet. Look, you were right. It really is delicious. I like it. So cool of you to share with me. Help me, please. Okay, it's time to really help. Let's take this poppet away. You jerk. Thief. Oh, come on, it was just a prank.
Come on!
Hooray! It's an iPhone and brand new. This is my dream. I also have an iPhone, but it's a weird color. I didn't know there were brown iPhones. That's it.
Excuse me?
It's chocolate. We both got lucky. Yours will be really tasty. Yeah, I want to check how delicious it is. And try this poppet right away. Something tells me it's going to be just magical. Well, how is it? Delicious? Yes, it's incredible. I'm sorry you didn't get one. By the way, how's your real iPhone doing?
Ooh la la!
Come on!
Okay. Not bad. With this, I can also make delicious food.
What?
Look, I have some yummy treats that appear right on the table. Wow, it really worked. If it worked once, then it'll work again. Why don't you make me a treat too?
What?
It won't cost you anything. No, all of these treats will be just for myself. At least one, please. I won't eat a cockroach. Let Deanna handle it. Deanna, here's a treat for you. No, I don't want a cockroach. Save me, get this out of here. Finally, it flew away. Now it'll never come back. No, no! Go away, please! I feel like I'm dying. Help me!
Hey!
Oh, well, the main thing is... Welcome to our challenge of the artists. This chocolate fountain will be given to the one who draws the best. Wow, this is a cool idea. We totally agree. If everyone agrees, then it's time to get started. But keep in mind, you have to draw with anything but your hands. That's the rule. I'm ready for sure. This victory's in my pocket. I'm not going to compete with these dummies. Look who's talking. Something tells me I'm going to get the chocolate fountain. I have a really cool drawing. Yeah, right. Mine's cool. However, I don't really like what's happening. Maybe I should change tactics. I think drawing with a felt tip pen will be much easier. Exactly! A felt tip pen! I want to draw like that too. Yeah, you can't even open the pen. It's not funny. What should I do? The others have such cool drawings. No big deal. If I want to draw something beautiful, then I just need to ruin their masterpieces. I think this feather will help me. What did you do? I ruined my whole drawing because of you. What bad luck. Why are you laughing? I can ruin yours too. What's the matter? Besides, your drawing's not that good. So I'll ruin it. And why are you so excited? I'll ruin your drawing in no time. No, please!
Last stop!
Girls, time's up. Show us your drawings. Whew, I got carried away. Dang, I didn't have enough time to ruin Chelsea's drawing.
What?
Let's see what you managed to draw. Mary, what is this? It doesn't look like a fountain, it looks like a blob. And Samantha, your drawing isn't very good either. Why didn't you do your best? How do you like my work? Well, it's better than the others.
Okay.
But I've seen prettier things. Still, looks like Chelsea wins today. Hooray! I tried the hardest, so I deserve this award. You think you can just drink all that chocolate by yourself? Well, you're wrong. We can do it too. We even got straws designed perfectly for this. How delicious. Hey! Where's the chocolate?
Awesome!
You're a friend, so you shared with us. You thieves. Are you ready for the next round? This time your prize will be even cooler. Look at what a cute dog. Oh, he's such a baby. And he was full, so he went to the toilet. Your prize will be this cute little turd. Whoever draws it the best gets it. Wish you luck. I don't want poop. I just need to draw something, but not poop. I have to make the worst drawing in my life. Precisely! There's nothing worse than drawing with your foot.
What?
Sorry for the smell. What is that? Oh, it's nuclear. Oops. It's just my little foot. Everyone's drawing something cool. I'll just smear this felt tip pen on the paper. That way, I won't get caught. And then I won't get the poop. Dang it! I lost my brown felt tip. I need a replacement. I feel like I'm losing everything. I just need to be more careful. I wonder what the others are managing to draw.
What?
Your time is up. Show off your art. That's all.
Oh!
Hooray, I'm ready to show my drawing.
Please.
Chelsea, I expected more from you. Wow, Samantha. Good job. You have a beautiful drawing. Mary, why are you sleeping? I wasn't sleeping. Here's my drawing.
Hey!
Ugh, that's a really awful turd. So you get the prize. Congratulations, Mary. I win the poop. Dang it. According to the rules, you have to eat it. Yeah, but what if I get lucky and it turns out to be chocolate?
Awesome!
Ugh, she's really eating the poop. Poop yourself. This is really tasty chocolate. Want to try some? Girls, are you ready for the next challenge? This time you'll have to fight for this cute kitten. How small and very fluffy. If you draw it really cool, then it's yours. This time you'll need to draw with crayons on your face. I wish you good luck. Time's ticking. And really, why draw on paper when I can just put it on myself and look like a cute cat? I just need to add a couple details to my face and finish. Then I'm done. I also want to look like a cat. Meow. And my makeup is the best. You guys are all struggling, but I'm the only one that's going to think to use a mirror. With this, I'll definitely draw something good. Moreover, a mirror's not against the rules.
Yes!
Victory is definitely in my pocket. Chelsea can't draw at all. Mary! Wow! Using a mirror is against the rules. How could you? Look, Chelsea. Do you see this? Yeah, that's not fair. We have to teach Mary a lesson. Let's wash off her makeup. Mary, you ready for a shower? Then take this. No, why'd you do that? Now I can't get that fluffy kitten as a gift. That's it, the cat! Samantha also has a cool paint.
What?
Then I won't get the kitten. I need to ruin her makeup. Samantha, your paint is smudged. Where? Tell me, I'll fix it. Here, let me help you.
Yeah!
It's not so hard. Now it's super! Thanks so much!
Thank you very much.
Cool!
Girls, show your faces. Let's see what you got. Mary, did you even try?
Hey, you!
Samantha, have you ever seen a cat that looks like that?
What?
What's with the pirate? A pirate? What pirate? You, Chelsea! I taught you a lesson, but now you'll have to appreciate my makeup. Yes? The victory goes to Chelsea again, because the rest of you are so much worse. Hooray! Now the baby's mine. Achoo! I think my childhood cat allergy is back. Achoo! Yeah, that's fine. It's no big deal. Now the kitten will be ours. Mine and Mary's. No, it's mine. Have you even seen yourself?
What?
Since the last prize was so cool, you may not like this one.
Hey, you.
You'll have to fight for a fish. Moreover, this time you'll have to draw with different sauces. It'll be much harder. But you can do it. Time's ticking. This is great. Drawing with sauces is so much fun. It's also delicious. What are you doing? Keep your trash to yourself. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to. That's fine, I'm not offended. It must be fun to draw with sauces. They're so bright. It looks really cool. Turns out ketchup is not bad paint.
Awesome!
I think the cheese sauce is quite bright. And you can also use it to make a cool drawing.
Yes!
That ended quickly. But that doesn't matter. It looks really bright and beautiful. This sauce will help me with my drawing. Wow, I didn't know that drawing with sauces is so exciting. Dang, everyone's drawing is so cool. I need to push too. I also want a beautiful drawing. These sauces smell pretty good, so they probably taste good too. How delicious these are! Why even bother drawing if these sauces taste so good? Really? I think eating all those sauces is just weird. No, it's not. It's delicious and cool.
What?
I agree. Hey! Those stupid little boxes!
No!
Dang it, you ruined my entire drawing! How could you set me up like this? Stupid garbage. Dang, I ate all the sauce! I have nothing to draw with! Wow! But that's okay. I can just steal from Samantha. Your time's up!
Stop!
Show us how you drew! Yeah, show us. And I'll take the good drawing for myself in the meantime. Mary, it's definitely not your day today.
No!
The drawing's so-so. But Chelsea did better, good job! And Samantha, how about yours? Did you think you could just sit there and do nothing and win the fish? As if.
Oops.
Congratulations, all because of Chelsea! I won't eat this fish raw.
Please.
I have an idea. Why eat a raw fish when you can cook it?
What?
It's not for nothing that I carry around this burner with me. Oh, Chelsea, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to light you. I think it suits you. Come on.
Oops.
With a little help of this burner, I'll turn this ugly fish into a delicious delicacy. That was super easy. All right, that's it. Let's say bon appetit.
Awesome!
Do you want to see how the most delicious ice cream is made in the world? I'll show you right now. I'm going to need a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Put it in the blender. Next, put the amazing cheese with mold. Now you need to mix everything until it's smooth. Let's turn on the blender. And it's almost ready. Perfect. Now we put it in the machine and pour out the perfect ice cream in the cone. Now let's add some worms on top. Oh yeah, they're still wiggling. Now, here is your ice cream. And I've got another one. Let's take strawberry ice cream, put it in the blender. And now we will add some blue jelly. Ooh, that's perfect. Now we mix everything. And it's ready. We pour it in the machine. Just like that. And pour out the perfect ice cream in the cone. Ah, wonderful. Now let's add some candies on top. And it's ready. You can taste it. Whoa, the ice cream looks delicious. Can I be the first? Hooray! I want to try this cone. It's so delicious, I like it. Wow, it's so cool. I rather want to try all of it. Just amazing. I am full. Okay, it's your turn now, Anne.
Come on!
Okay, come on. Wait, do I have a worm cone? How disgusting. It looks disgusting. Why are you laughing at me, Max? Do I have to eat it? How am I going to eat this? Oh, I have to try. Ew, that's disgusting. I don't like it at all. I have to finish it all. Ew, how disgusting it looks. I didn't like this ice cream. I didn't think ice cream would be so hard to eat. Last piece is left. It's time to make a new delicious ice cream. This time, I'll put a bowl of vanilla ice cream. That's enough. Okay, what do I add to it? Ooh, that's right, mustard. A great product for ice cream. All it's left to mix everything and pour it into a ice cream machine. Just like usual. Look at this color, it's so bright. Now let's make it. Perfect. Pour it into the cone. Just like that. Incredibly beautiful ice cream. But it'll be even better with decorated with cat food. Ew, it looks terrible. I would never have tried that. It remains only to cook the second ice cream. I'll make it out of chocolate ice cream. Let's put 1 scoop. Then strawberry syrup is perfect for it. It's going to be incredibly delicious. Now let's mix everything up. Just like that. Perfect. Put it in the ice cream machine.
Okay.
As usual. And pour everything into a waffle cone. Look at that. Now we only choose the sprinkle. Of course, this unicorn cereal is perfect. Unbelievable. It looks wonderful. So delicious. Well, who will get lucky this time? Let's see.
Let's go!
And let's play rock, paper, scissors. Damn it. Okay, I'm going to be first. Hooray! It looks bright, but what is it? Ew, is that cat food? How disgusting. Oh, I'm going to throw up. That's, you're a loser, Anne. Okay, I need to eat it quickly.
Come on!
I think I'm done. Your turn, Max. Okay, I've been waiting to try an ice cream cone for a long time. Ooh, mine is super delicious and beautiful. I love it. The taste is so perfect.
Are you ready?
It's time to make a new delicious ice cream. This time, we take the base vanilla ice cream. Next, I will need a lot of small fish. They're disgusting. Well, whoever gets lucky with this ice cream, I won't envy him. Now let's add some broccoli.
Okay.
Kids don't like it that much. although it's very healthy. All that remains is mix everything until smooth. The ice cream mixture is ready. Let's pour it into the ice cream machine. Ugh, it smells disgusting. Great, now pour it into the waffle cone and sprinkle with marshmallows. At least something delicious in this ice cream. Ugh, smells terrible. Okay, let's make another ice cream. Okay, this time I'm going to use vanilla base again. Now let's add seaweed. This is the most delicious things I've ever eaten. All that remains is to mix everything until it's smooth. It turns out an excellent green mass. Look at this color.
Oh.
And we pour it into the ice cream maker. Let's take this waffle cone and put the ice cream in it. Great. Now let's sprinkle it a little bit. Oh, so colorful. And it's ready.
Ew.
Ugh, smells terrible too. Okay. You start, Max. Great. Okay, let's try. Ew, what is that? I don't like it. It doesn't taste cool at all, but I have to eat it anyway. Ugh, it's disgusting. I didn't like it at all. And no, you. Good. I hope that I will come across a delicious cone that I will definitely like. Marshmallows. But what is this? I can't do it anymore. No, don't make me. Okay, I'll eat it faster so I don't feel this taste. What kind of ice cream should I make next? That's right. Let's add some vanilla scoop again. By the way, this is my favorite ice cream. I need to add some onions to it. Just be careful. Okay. That's great. I can't leave it like that. Now I'm gonna put some more Nutella so that the guys can eat it. I think that should be done enough.
Yes!
All that remains is to mix everything up. Wow, ice cream will turn out beautiful. Pour everything into the ice cream maker. Just like that. Amazing. I just squeeze it in the waffle cone and sprinkle marmalade bears on top. That's right. They're kids' favorite. Okay, a bit more. Perfect. Well, let's cook the second one. Now I want to take a bowl of rainbow ice cream. It looks so beautiful. Put it in the blender. Next, I'll need chicken feet. Here they are. They're so funny. As a child, I loved playing with them. It's fun. We throw them into the blender too and add some Coke. Everyone loves cola. One bottle should be enough. Now let's add some ketchup and mix everything up. This is going to be a perfect base for the ice cream. Yeah, I'm kidding. Okay. Oh, smells terrible. Now pour everything into the ice cream maker. And let's add this waffle cone. The only thing left is to choose the topping and add some coconut chips. I made the most terrible ice cream that could exist. Oh my god, let's switch places. 1, 2, 3, I'm next to B. Okay, let's see. Is it coconut chips? I think this ice cream will be delicious. Oh no. What is that?
Okay.
I have to deal with it. Okay, as fast as I eat, the less taste I get. Come on, your turn, Anne. Okay, good. I hope that I will have a tasty one at least. Oh, it looks delicious, but it's disgusting. I have onion-flavored ice cream. I don't want to eat that. I guess I have to. Okay, I'll try it. That's disgusting. I don't like it at all. I can't hold it back. Oh no.
Bye-bye.
It's time to make another batch of ice cream. Crazy ideas have already come to me. I want to add vanilla ice cream again. 1 bowl is enough. Now let's put a delicious Oreo. Ooh, it looks delicious. I'll put more. What else should I put in? Ooh, I know. I want to put the nuggets in. It will definitely be incredibly delicious. All that remains is to mix everything up and everything will be ready. We have the mixture, now let's pour it into the ice cream maker. Great. We take the waffle cone, pour everything in, and add some toppings. What should we add? That's right, some chips on top. Great. This one's ready. Let's do another one. It's time for the second ice cream. I want to make it chocolate. It'll be incredibly delicious. Put it in the blender. Next, let's put a lot of ripe and sweet strawberries. I can never resist it. Ugh. Look at how bright they are. Now let's add some sushi. Haha, I love Japanese food. Rice and fish. What could be better? We put everything in the blender and mix it. Now the strawberries have definitely given their color here. Okay, we pour it into the ice cream maker. And pour the ready ice cream into the waffle cone. Great! Let's sprinkle with some chocolate chips on top. It smells like a terrible thing, actually. Well, I can put it on the stand. Taste it. It's your turn. Great! I hope that I will come across something delicious. Oh, it looks cool, but… well, it's actually tolerable. You can eat it. Max, it's your turn now. Come on. Okay, great. It will definitely have a very tasty one. Oh, I really like it, Anne. You're so lucky. I got a delicious ice cream. Cool, right? And we are done. Great.